Hello everyone, hope you all are happy as usual. Today we will see the exercises of chapter 50. The first one, put a tick by the true sentences and a cross by the ones that are false. So it is quite similar with true and false. You have to just write true or tick if the sentence is correct and cross or write false if it is wrong. So I think you all can do it. Before doing this, go through the chapter thoroughly. Now let's see question number 2. Make 28 sentences. You all can see a yellow box in which so many columns are there. So many words are written here. So you have to use these words in framing sentences. Let's see how. The food is cooked by the children. The food is being cooked by the children. The food has been cooked by the children. Or like this also, the food is cooked by Mrs. Das. The food is being cooked by Mrs. Das. The food was being eaten by the children. The food had been eaten by the children. So like this you all can practice. And how many sentences you can frame here? You can frame 28 sentences. Now let's see. You can see here, I think she is Mrs. Das enjoying her food. It's very tasty as well. Now let's see question number 3. Give the correct form of the verbs. Give the correct form of the verbs. Here you can see a word is inside the bracket. Here also you have to write the correct form of these verbs in the answer. So you have to do some changes in this only, not in anything else. Rest of the sentence will be as usual. Rest of the sentence will be as usual. So let's see first example. The purse was found by a little girl. So the answer will be the purse was found by a little girl. Find has changed into found. Let's see some questions as well. Let's see question number B. The work is being done by 10 workmen. So the answer will be the work is being done by 10 workmen. Let's see question number D. The thief was seen by Mr. Das and was catched by a policeman. So in this question you can see two verbs are here. You have to change these two verbs according to the requirement of the sentence. The thief was seen by Mr. Das and was caught by a policeman. I think many of you have got idea that how you all will be doing this. Now let's see question number J. The cover of the books had been eaten by cockroaches. So the answer will be the cover of the books had been eaten by cockroaches. It's very easy. If you all will try, you all will be able to do it easily. Now let's see question number 4. Read the examples, then change the sentences in the same way. So first we will see example and we will try to figure out how it has been changed. A paper clip fastened the sheets of paper together. The answer is the sheets of paper were fastened together by a paper clip. So I think we have rearranged the words in the sentence and make the answer. We see here the sheets of paper, the sheets of paper. Here we have written were fastened together by a paper clip, by a paper clip. So some of the words of the answers are in the question only. So what we have to use in question number 4 here, we have to use some verbs as well in our answers. Let's see how. A big lorry knocked down the railing. So the answer is the railing was knocked down by a big lorry. So in this answer, you can see here the railing was knocked down. Here we have used was knocked down by a big lorry. By, we have used by as well, and a big lorry. If you see the pattern of the examples, you will be able to do this question easily. Let's see question number B. A snake had bitten the little boy. A snake had bitten the little boy. So what will be the answer? The answer will be, any guess? I know many of you have guessed correctly. The little boy had been bitten by a snake. Again, I am repeating the answer of B. The little boy had been bitten by a snake. Let's see. Question number F. Two men are repairing the car. So what will be the answer of F? The car is being repaired by two men. Again, I am repeating the answer. The car is being repaired by two men. Let's see one more question. All the children quickly obeyed the order. We are seeing question number I. All the children quickly obeyed the order. So what will be the answer? The order was quickly obeyed by all the children. Again, I am repeating the answer. The order was quickly obeyed by all the children. So like this you have to practice.